welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video to explore OBY jewelry. They reached out to me and I am so incredibly excited to partner with them because they have some beautiful pieces. They were kind enough to send me 4 different pieces that I am super excited to share with you, and they gave me a 25% off discount code for you guys. It is just Ellie, plain and simple, nice and easy to remember. So if you are interested in these or any of the other pieces from their website, definitely go ahead and check that out too. Why I wanted to show this to you today is because today is the last day to order for things to arrive by Mother's Day. So if you are looking to get something for your mom, make sure that you order before May 1st to make sure that you can get it in time for Mother's Day. So before we dive into the pieces, I want to show you the packaging because I feel like this is something that took me by complete surprise and makes this super gift ready. So I actually took some footage of opening the box so you could see, but the quality of the box is amazing. It has this outer package and then the box fits perfectly inside. It's this beautiful blue color and then it opens up in the most gorgeous way, and it has one of these nice faux suede little pouches that has all of your pieces in it. So if you don't live near your mom or whoever you want to give these as a gift to, you know that you can send these their way and they're going to get there in the most beautiful packaging, totally perfect to present. Or if you do live near your recipient, it also comes with a gift bag, so you could put it in here, and this really just ties everything together. Very elevated, very nice. It's a super high quality bag and box, and the pouch makes it great for traveling or organizing your jewelry at home. So I was so impressed by that. Something else that I really love about their packaging is that 100% of it comes from responsible sources. So they're trying to keep our planet healthy and happy, which I really love. They have a wide variety of gorgeous lab-grown diamonds and gemstone pieces that look so amazing, and the designs of them are absolutely stunning. I love that everything is so masterfully created and designed. It is a very gorgeous set of jewelry. It was so hard to pick the pieces that I wanted from their website. I am really happy with the ones that I ended up with, but there are definitely so many more that I love. So first I want to start off with a ring. I have been big on rings and I just have not found ones that I really like recently. This is the bezel set moissanite open ring. Very difficult to see right here, but I'll put some good footage on. This ring is so dainty, so beautiful, and so comfortable. I was a little bit worried that it was going to kind of dig into my skin. My fingers are a little swollen right now because I just took Kona for a walk, but this is what it looks like, and I just think it's the perfect amount of sparkle. I think it would look really nice with, you know, a full set of rings. I absolutely love it. I think it's super pretty and very dainty. I wanted to go ahead and also get a bracelet, and this is something I am so excited about. They have the option to personalize some of the items on the website, and this is something that I decided to personalize for myself. This is the Stellar Diamond Engravable Bracelet, and this is super pretty. It is just this little charm with a diamond on there and the starburst, and then you can actually engrave the back. So I went ahead and engraved WE for Will, my husband, and Ellie. So that's just kind of, our family calls us we, and it just is really cute because we're a little unit and I just love it. So this is something that I am super excited about. It is adjustable as well, which I appreciate, and I just think this is super pretty. So they did great. The engraving quality is also beautiful. Big fan. I think this one would be so nice as a Mother's Day gift to engrave with each of the kids' initials or even just your mom's initials. I think this is something that can be very special. Love that. Next up, I picked 2 different pairs of earrings. These are the first one, and these are the Paisley Flourish hoop earrings, and they are so pretty. They're a very like dainty little circle hoop, and they are just so nice. I feel like they're just the perfect dainty kind of clean girl aesthetic hoop, and they're super lightweight, but you can tell the quality is amazing. And I feel like these are just a good basic that you can wear with anything. I love them. Very simple, but just enough sparkle to like bring life to your outfit. So love, love, love. These are probably one of my new favorite pairs of earrings. And then these ones, lastly, are a more fancy elevated version. These are the oval crossover Morganite stud earrings, and these are so pretty. So they are different. So one of them has the gems on the big oval and then one of them has them on the little, and it is so pretty. There's like this beautiful kind of emerald cut pink stone that looks so gorgeous, and they're the perfect length to have a little bit of dangle, a little extra sparkle without getting in the way and distracting from anything. I absolutely love these. Again, super lightweight, but very high quality. I am so incredibly impressed by the quality of these, and I just love them. I think these are absolutely stunning. So that was everything in my OBY jewelry haul. Let me know which piece is your favorite, and if you're going to be picking anything up for yourself, your mom, or any of the loved ones in your life. And remember, if you are looking to get any of these pieces for Mother's Day, definitely make sure that you order by May 1st to make sure that you get it in time. And use my code Elliot to save 25% off of your order. Thank you so much to OBY for sending me these pieces. I'm so incredibly happy to have them and so excited to wear them, and absolutely thrilled to get to share them with all of you. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!